Hello guys and welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we are going to make an animation using wick editor. I introduced this platform in the before video. So let's get started. So if you remember, I said in the before one video that today I showed you one animation and we are going to make the same animation, and in this animation there's going to be a pink ball bouncing off the screen. So let's get started. First of all, let's rename this layer. You will just click on it and rename it. So this is going to be my ground. Okay, let me just click over here. Now I'm going to go to the rectangle and the fill color is going to be blue for this one and no stroke color, so let's just keep it white. Okay, I'm just going to make a triangle, something like this. Okay, now I'm going to choose the color green, which will be indicating the ground. So make it like this. Now this is our ground layer. Now let's add one more layer using this plus sign. You will click on it and rename this as the ball. Okay, now I'm going to go and click this ellipse. This is a circle, and now you can choose any color for your ball. I'm going to choose pink. You can choose red or blue or whatever color you want or you like. I'm going to choose this one, and the stroke color, like its outline color, I'm going to keep it black and this much. Okay, let's make it. Okay, wait. It's not coming. I'm going to lock this layer and now let's make it. Okay, it's not working because I have to keep it above the ground layer. Okay, now it's coming. Let me just erase it. Okay, let me make it now. Keep it up, and I'm going to just erase this part. Okay, yeah, now I can make it again. So I think this much size will be good. You can hold your shift key to make a perfect circle. I think this much size will be okay. Okay, now I want this ball to enter from like out of the screen, then bounce for twice or thrice and then go out of the screen. So this is what we are going to make today. We are just going to select it now and place it outside of the canvas. Okay, it's going to bounce from here and like that. Let's make it a bit more up. Okay, now it's good. Now we are going to start the onion skinning. I told you in the introduction video that it helps you to arrange your character perfectly. Okay. And also, now as you can see, the background is not visible. That's because you have to just unlock it. You have to stretch this at the end, like till the end of this animation, otherwise it's not going to show. You are covering these all squares, you know. Okay, now let's lock it again. Yeah. Okay, now if you're going here, see, it's visible. Okay, now I'm going to copy it. Now I'm just going to copy it and you are going to just paste it over here like this, and you are going to make it a bit more forward, a little bit more forward. Okay, and now you are going to copy this as well, and now what you are going to do is we are going to paste it over here. Just and just make it down and forward. So you're just going to copy it again, paste it, oh not over here, sorry, you're going to paste it over here. Just make it more down like this, and you're going to make it like this. So if I make this whole video, it will be 1 hour, so I'm going to cut in between, and when the last bowl is over, I'm gonna pause and continue. Okay, so now I have done till here. Now I have to make like something about 2 bowls and then make it bounce again and again. Select it, I'm gonna copy it again and paste it again. Just make it more down, copy it again and paste it again. And let's make it touching the ground now. Let's make it a bit more far. Okay, let me just make this as well. Like this much. Okay, wait. Okay, no, nothing. Okay, I'm going to make it this much. Okay, now it's good. Now if you click this, as you can see now, it's an animation of it dropping. Now we are going to make it bounce. Just here. Okay, now we are going to make this bowl bounce like at a height of something like this much. Okay, so now I'm going to select it again, copy it and paste it. Just going to bounce like this, like over here, and then like this, a bit more up and then down, and then go that side, like out of the screen. So I'm going to pause it for now, otherwise it's going to be a long video. Okay, so I've done tail over here, so it's going to bounce like this. Now I have to make 1 or 2 bowls more bowls. Now let's just copy it again and paste it again. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing. You can also use your keyboard if you're not comfortable by clicking again and again those options. Okay, and now just copy it again, paste it again. Okay, so just undo it. Okay, so we make it touch to the ground and a bit more far. Okay, so now if you play it, as you can see, it's working good, fine. Now I'm going to make it bounce again. It's going to be the last time, but it's going to have less height, so this much. Now let me do it. Okay, so just make it more far apart this time, and at a less height. I was gonna say it light height. Okay, so I think 1 more will be enough, like this much. So let me just copy it again and paste it. Now I'm going to make it bounce downwards, like come downwards now. Okay, and just paste. Okay, now I'm going to copy it again and just paste. Oh, okay, I have to make it more lengthy. 30 will be okay, I think. I'm going to paste it, and it's going to come downwards now. Copy it and paste it over here. Okay, so it's like this, as you can see, and now it's going to be the last bowl. Okay. Just copy it again and just paste it. Here you go. It's done now. So now just one more left that's going to go out of the screen so it looks more real. Paste. Okay. So now if you play it, yes. Okay, so as you can see, it's like this. It's pretty real, I think, and it's going to be 2 or something like that seconds more, so it doesn't end like at a particular time. Now if you remember when I showed you when during this time when the ball was bouncing, there was a happy ball text written over here. So let's just make one more layer over here, text, and in this text just go over here, click this A and write your text over here. I'm gonna write it. I forgot. How you can do it? Okay, so I'm just gonna drag this up to the ball as well. Okay, so now it's gonna come. Just click over here and click this A and over here like this. You're just gonna write happy ball, or whatever message you wanna convey to the anyone who is watching this animation. Okay, so its fill color is going to be let me just undo it. Do it again. Okay, so I'm going to write over here happy ball like this. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just take the cursor. Oh wait, what happened? It disappeared. Okay, so now we are just going to extend it till over here. Now if you play it, still not coming. Okay, so this isn't appearing because the fill color I have taken to the exact color to the sky. I hope it's gonna work. Just write it. Please work. Please work. Please. Yes, it's working. See, it's working. Okay, so now what you're gonna do, because I left those same color many times, those texts, so I'm just gonna select this whole screen. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna select this whole screen. Just make it down. Okay, wait. Just gonna select this background, nothing else. And as you can see, there are many happy bold this and all. So I think this is okay. It's totally okay. Okay, leave it. Okay, so now if I erase them, there are many chances that the background will also erase. But let's just try it. Let me just do it. Let's just do it. Okay, I'm just gonna erase this part. If it will erase, I don't think so. Okay, it's not erasing. I'm gonna redo it. Okay, so guys, this is how you make an happy bow animation, which I told you. And one more thing, this thing will not happen to the text if you have done the same mistake as mine. So you can just undo it. Go back and just erase it, but I don't have enough time. So bye guys, this is how you make an animation. Bye.